Today we have a 16-hour train journey from Copenhagen to Munich. So we've been kind of just relaxing all day. It's now like 3 o'clock. We're leaving in an hour. We got a train from Copenhagen to Hamburg, from Hamburg to Cologne, and then Cologne to Munich. And that's going to take about 16 hours in total. We're leaving at 6 o'clock. First train's at 6 o'clock. We won't get there until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So that's going to be long, no fun. So we're just relaxing a bit at the moment, ready to leave. We're leaving now, not happy at all. Got all this crap on us. We've got a 16-hour train journey.
Hard times.
Not happy at all. On our platform now, waiting for our train. The first of 3 trains this evening / tomorrow. This one's just 4.5 hours to Hamburg, and then we've got another change to get on. Really looking forward to it.
I'm so excited.
Can't wait.
So excited about it.
On the first of the 3 trains, this one's all the way to Hamburg. Me and Lance aren't sat next to each other, which is kind of annoying. We're sat opposite, so that's not too bad. We just got to kill time. It's going to be a long trip, long journey. We've got this one and 2 more after that. So yeah, we've kind of just got to get through it. I'm tired already. Okay, so apparently the train's broken, so we have to walk to the ferry, get on a ferry, and then get on a bus to Hamburg. Don't really know what's going on, but we've got to go get on a ferry. Waiting for a bus. The bus didn't come, but we're getting on. Well, we're on this random train. It's going to take us to some random place. So we're good. Transferring trains now. Alice is in the best mood ever because she's just seen a cat in a backpack. So cute.
He's a double-decker.
What's going on today? How excited I am.
This entire trip we've been saying we want to go on a double-decker train, and now we finally are. This is the 3rd train we've been on to get from Copenhagen to Hamburg. We've also been on a ferry and tried to get on a bus. It was supposed to be just a direct train from Copenhagen to Hamburg, but it's kind of worked out like this. Not even in Hamburg yet. Struggling. Back in Hamburg. Just got some food, got a pretzel and a pan of chocolate. We're just waiting for our transfer to Frankfurt. Yeah, that's train like 5 or 6 down. Just got one more, 3 hours from Frankfurt to Munich. It's 5:30 in the morning. After about 7 trains, a tram and a ferry, finally walking up to our place now, ready to go to sleep at 10 to 10 in the morning.